Okay, this video is going to be a little bit different. As furniture flippers, we find a lot of chairs. People like chairs. They like to put them in the corner of their house. You can put stuff on them. Maybe you need it for a desk, blah, blah, blah. Chairs, a lot of times, they are missing their cane or it's broken and ruined. So what we're going to do is we're going to macrame a chair bottom onto this. So you're going to find your halfway. You have your loop. Put it over. Pull your two tails through and stand on them. Okay, and now you have one. So let's do that again. I cut my rope in 5.5 foot pieces. So this is what it looks like when I got 12 of them on there. That's not enough. I'm gonna go ahead and cut another 12. Okay, so we stopped, painted the chair blue, just around it. I didn't take them off so you can see that there's still some wood right there. And now we have 24 ropes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with our basic square knot, and we're gonna go ahead and get 4. The rope's really long, so it makes it kind of tricky, but all right. So your basic square knot, what you want to do is take whichever one you want to start. You're going to go this way and you're going to go this way. So we're going to go on the outside, make a 4. So it looks kind of like a 4. This one goes over, under, and back into your 4. And then you pull that up. And we're gonna try to keep this pretty tight because if anyone ever wants to sit on here, you know, we don't want them to fall through. So now we're gonna do it the exact opposite. We're gonna go make our 4. This last one goes over, under, and through. And then we pull that tight. So that's a square knot. When you do it on that side and that side, then you've got a square knot, okay? All right, so let's do that again. We're gonna go this way, make a 4. This one's gonna go over, under, and through the 4 hole. And we're gonna pull it tight. And then we're gonna do it again. On the other side, this one goes this way, over, under, and pull it through. So now we have 2 square knots. So I'm going to go ahead and keep going. I'm going to take my next 4 and do it again. Okay, so let's watch that again. We are going to do that square knot. So you take it, you go over, under, and through your 4 hole. Over, under, and through your 4 hole. Right then left, or left then right, left then right. Depends on how you want to do it. Okay, so to start this all out, we did 2 square knots all the way across. So when you're doing this whole thing is made with just square knots. And then we are going to alternate, leaving the last 2 out on the end, and do the square knots across again.
You found me when I was down. I didn't know you were around. Am I too big a deal? Am I what you're looking for? Can I be what you're looking for?
Okay, so we're going to do it again. So I did the end, grab the end 4, and I'm going to grab this 4. So, fun facts about macrame. It actually was first recorded in 1890. Died out for a little while, came back strong in the 1970s. Of course, people have been using macrame forever. Think about sailors and their knots, kids and their friendship bracelets. So it's always been, and now it is back. Super fun, super cool, and a good, well, just good. So we did those square knots all the way across, all the way down, just alternating 2 1 2 1, doing like that on the sides there. I went ahead and wrapped those outside ones around and then just did a square knot again. So that's how I'm finishing it off, wrapping it around, putting a couple square knots, and then I will pull those little cords. If you pull on them and get the fringe thing going on, it looks pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. I will have a more detailed video as we do a table runner. Vintage makeovers with Melanie. You guys are awesome. Hope to see you soon.